In this lesson, we're going to take a quick look at how we can easily clean up our import statements. This will add needed import statements and remove unnecessary import statements. So let's open a couple files, Password Data Editor, Password Manager, and we'll note that each of these has their own import statements in them. And so as these stand right now, both of them have a couple of different statements that are not being used. You can see that when I hover over that, it says the import java.awt.event queue is never used. Same thing with hash map. And there's iterator and there's map not being used. Let's also take one out that we need. For example, let's remove import javix.swing.star. So a lot of missing import statements will now be happening, and you can see the red squiggly lines. And of course, we could easily import those by clicking here once we hover over it. But what I want to show you is that we can resolve all of this with one simple press. So now we have missing import statements and we have extra import statements. So we're going to remove the ones we don't need and we're going to add the ones we do simply by hitting Control-Shift-O. Now again, on the Macintosh, this would be your Command key, Shift and O. So let's go ahead and do that. And we'll see here we have all of the stuff that we need added and all the stuff that we don't need removed. Control-Shift-O. Once again, everything is added that we need and everything we don't need is removed. So we can go ahead and save those as they're now cleaned up. And again, this was all handled by the asterisk, but using Control-Shift-O actually brought in only the packages that we needed. So you can see the little advantage to that as well. But that wraps up our quick look at how we can do some cleanups on our import statements with a simple key press.